Hello, and welcome to another MCO market update on ADA. ADA has formed this fifth wave to the upside we wanted to see from the swing low that formed on Tuesday, the 6th of May. I think it's quite clear that this looks really like 5 waves up. That can be our A wave to the upside, and the price has even reached the target zone from support to target. It is absolutely possible that this A wave has now formed a top. Now, yesterday I shared with you that it's possible this fourth might already be extending a little bit, but the communication was that around 73 cents is our key support. As long as we're holding that, one more high is still a likely option actually expected. That's also what I shared in our member area yesterday morning. That was we already saw that the price might be starting wave 5 of A to the upside with 84.5 cents as first target to watch. Price was already starting that move up, and we have reached that level. And the good news is that with reaching that level, we have a healthy fifth wave. For those of you who don't know, A waves can be 5-wave movements. They often are 3, but I always have to take into consideration what I see in the entire sector. And for example, the Ethereum chart was also due another move up. That happened as well, by the way. So we were watching absolutely for that fifth wave up, and I don't want to confirm a top until we get a break below support. Now, showed you that to understand the meaning of that, because we now have a full wave count. Now, does that guarantee a top? No. We only have a 3-wave move down from that high. I mean, there's been quite a solid rejection, right? The market has overnight dipped round about 7% from that level, which shouldn't be a surprise given that it's the target for the fifth wave, and that should form a local top somewhere ideally. But that being said, so far we are still holding above the last swing low. Okay, so still printing higher highs, higher lows for now. And we only have a 3-wave move down, so there are clear rules and guidelines I have to follow to confirm a top, which there's none of them fulfilled. Just reaching targets, while it's great, it doesn't mean we have topped. So I would, I'm not going to watch necessarily for higher prices. I don't expect them. I'm quite neutral now. It's about taking a step back. The wave count is full now in this A wave, but that being said, I'm recognizing we can see further extensions. The main target up there this is just on the micro level, right? But the main area that this larger Y wave, of which this A wave is part, should reach starts at 94.5 cents. So overall, I'd like it to trend towards that, maybe more or less directly. But this here is now a full A wave, and I need to see some signals to confirm that this B wave correction has started, like a 5-wave move down. Do we have 5 waves down? No, it's actually a 3-wave move down. You might see that. So no 5 waves yet. Keeps the door open for higher. I would need to see a break below this low at least. That's the swing low from Friday that formed around 77 cents. Do we have that? No. And then for further confirmation, I need to see a break below 73 cents. I mean, that would be better confirmation, because technically speaking, it is possible that this entire 4 is still unfolding. So therefore, I leave that support area unchanged. But I would say already a break below the Friday low would be a good indication we've topped. But until then, there's really nothing telling me we've topped, other than, okay, we reached the target and the wave count is full. But yeah, that's not enough, okay? So yeah, overall, quite watchful now whether the market is forming a top. So yeah, that's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.